A fan spent $300,000 to grab this. A top-tier off-road beast that cost over $2 million when new, only to 3 OK miles on the odometer. But the engine's knocking like crazy. Sludge City inside the engine, piston rings caked with carbon, basically a scrap metal candidate. But the owner begged us for a miracle makeover. Wants this $200,000 engine completely rebuilt. Watch us bring this dead engine back to life. Long video but super satisfying. Learn to rebuild engines at home. Strip it down first. All seals rock hard. Engine fully disassembled. Ultrasonic cleaning all parts. Cylinder boring and resleeving. Replacing every worn component. Now the real magic begins. Restoring factory power. One man, one engine. Does this meet your standards? Dual axis torque specs. Robotic sealant application. Power tools for perfect fit. Factory service manual. Engine fully assembled. You taking notes? Rate our restoration skills. How much should we charge? Smash like if we nailed it.